This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, March 15th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, some cloudiness across the northwestern part of the country with a weak cold front extending across the northern plains, and that'll be moving across, bringing, well, no cold air because it's still going to remain quite mild. Watch morning map. There's nothing around. Some winter weather issues in Maine, some winter weather issues across the Pacific Northwest, the Northern Rockies, the Sierra under a winter storm watch, and otherwise everything else is nothing's happening. That's very exciting. QPF chart looks a little more exciting. This is precipitation through Monday evening at 7 o'clock. Shows some amounts around here of maybe 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch with any isolated storm that seems to pop up over the next couple of days. So let's take a look at these isolated storms that could pop up on the GFS, the 0Z run of that model. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. You can see zonal flow across the country, and that means it's going to remain mild, and all the cold air is well up in Canada, and there could be an isolated storm, and there could be an isolated storm about every day. And today there could be a chance that a storm may get active, and that could be the case every day for a couple of days. There could be an active storm, but there may be like one in the entire state, or there may be just in the bordering states. And even into here on Saturday, there could be some showers and storms, except the chances on Saturday are a little bit better than today and tomorrow. And even into Sunday, the chances still look better than on Friday and today. Probably 20 to 30% chance on Saturday and Sunday. Monday the storm finally moves, but it's moving so slow. Best chances of any showers and storms will be from I-35 westward, down from Kansas City to Oklahoma City to Wichita Falls, and even into Tuesday the best chance of rain will be from about Mason City to Kansas City to Tulsa to Dallas to San Antonio, as this high pressure off the coast just does not want this storm to move, and it actually starts to split it. The southern part stays strong while the northern part just falls apart and just goes pfft. But here, even a week from today, there's a big upper level feature, and it's now cut off as the jet stream is now north and west of us, and that means that that's where all the precipitation is, but we'll still be on the northern end of it, so we could see some rain from that. But now we have to look toward our north and west, and a few days later on the 25th, a trough begins to settle out down into the Pacific Northwest. We still have the ridge, or somewhat of a ridge, over us, and this is something we need to look at. A 1044 or 48 millibar high, and if this is right, this could be the end of our warm weather. Day later, that high pressure moves into Saskatchewan. The front moves through, and that could bring temperatures down into the 40s for highs. And at the end of the forecast on the 30th, zonal flow across the country. No real warmth, no real cold anywhere. You can see pretty much west-east, and with that, cold to the north, warm to the south, right in the middle, storminess. And with the lack of rain we seem to be getting, we'll need a lot of rain by this point. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Friday.